Hi there, just a really good hack. Do you find some of your cushions are going a bit flat? Well, I saw this, saw this online, thought I'd share it in the motorhome. Some of our cushions have gone a tad flat, they've been squashed. The van is 11 years old, so need a bit of life put back into them. So, rather than a hairdryer, got a leaf blower. Oh, let me turn it on. Okay, so, going to unzip the cover, because it's gone a tad flat, and in the foam, it's not memory foam, it's just obviously quite an economic foam, but putting air back into the foam, giving it a bit more life. It gets squished, the air comes out. Doesn't always recover. I think it's because the foam is a bit old. There we go. Got high. Thing is, I know it works because the zip is tighter. I am coming back round than when it came off. There we go. So, what was squished, better. Got air in it. Great hack. Thought I'd share it. Enjoy, guys. Sorry.